Hello, I am Kodili-nye. I'm bringing you the progress report on Anambra Government House as was showcased by the Soludo TV that actually bring about uh, the progress of the state government of Anambra State. And this is a reaction video. We are going to watch this thing together and as we watch them together, I hope that you will continue to, support our channel. Very, very important because we are a pro-homeland channel and we try to showcase our homeland. So because we believe that homeland should be the best. Not second, not third, not fourth, not fifth, but number one. As great people God has created. So we are the people of Anambra State. Anyị bụ ndị Igbo. So before we continue on this, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Your opinions are valid in this. You can always share your own opinions. Remember, sliding and PhD, I said Operation Pull Him Down is not really good. So share your opinion, contribute whatever you think that will make us to be number one, that will make the government to do better than what they are doing, and how we can expand the economy. That's what this channel is all about. We are educative, we are innovative, we are also informative, and we are entertaining. So stay tuned and watch. I am Kodili-nye, the son of the wonderful. I am Kodili-nye, the son of the wonderful. Continue to watch. That's you are watching the main building of Anambra State Government House in Awka, Nigeria. That's what you are just watching. And it's courtesy of Soludo TV. And this is also a reaction video. And being brought to you also by I am Kodili-nye. Remember to show us some love by continuously watching our videos or our channel, and also commenting every time you watch, because this will be will also help us to continue to serve you better. This place is quite huge. We will reserve our comments for this until we'll start to analyze everything in subsequent videos. So if you promise to follow us, we will bring a lot of opinions, and we also would like to hear your own opinion about this place. I think this is up to 20 hectares of land, so that's a huge area. And for your information also, this was started and abandoned by late Chinwoke Mbanuju, the first executive governor, civilian governor of the state. And it was completely abandoned. And this place become erosion ravaged area. The whole place was being taken over by erosion. And the subsequent administrations did not deem it fit that we need a government house. Remember, when Soludo came, I could remember I showed the video here where he went with the the commissioner of housing, Onyeka, Pauli Onyeka, Sir Pauli Onyeka, and the rest of other commissioners, and said he's going to recover this place. That this is a complete waste of resources, where all these things were abandoned. Look at the devastation of erosion. If you see, this place before, if you would have seen this place before, you will cry. The type of wastage that Nigeria is known for, and how that's why the country has not grown, and that's why Anambra has remained how it is. So the Soludo, Charles Chukuma Soludo, said, look, I'm going to live here, work here. I'm going to build this place. So some people were thinking, is he going to do it? And he budgeted 2.5 billion initially. I don't know if they have, I don't know if they have done any revalidation of contracts for this because of the heavy inflation in Nigeria. And the work started since then, and that's what has been happening. Remember, that was almost a year ago. A year and some months ago. That's not up to 2 years. It's almost a year and something. So they started work. There's a time it's like the work was not moving as fast as. But from what we are seeing, the work, as the government has mandated the contractors, must be completed before the end of this year, 2024. And we are in September. So meaning that everything has to be completed. And if you look, it looks like they will meet the target. But I don't think there is any doubt again if this project will be completed. There's no more doubt about it. You can see that the project will be completed. So come rain, come shine, sun. So that's exactly what you are seeing. And we are very glad that this is happening, because that's what we should have been having a long time ago. But ndị be anyị kwuru okwu sị na taa gbugbo osita dị mma n'ọdịbalụ mma. So that's exactly. So taa gbugbo, that's what we are saying. And the fact that it has started, the job will be completed. And that's what we believe and hope. By God's grace, we believe it will happen, surely. So we believe that it will happen, that this job will be completed for sure. We believe so much. So the governor has shown his ability, and that's what we are seeing. And that's why you need to contribute to your own quota to the development of this state. There are many ways you can do that. But in subsequent videos, we will be saying that let us for once be passionate about changing our homeland. Let us actually give ourselves timeline of 4 years and just turn around this homeland. We can do it. Anyị bụ ndị Igbo. We can do it. Anyị ga-emenwe. We can also push our politicians to buy into this idea. We can do it. Thank you very much for joining us. I am still Kodili-nye. Remember to like, comment, and share. God bless you. Have a wonderful time wherever you are. See you in the next one. Bye.